Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today in this video we are going to remove Yahoo search engine from Google Chrome. So let's get started. So open Google Chrome browser. I'll just maximize it. So whenever we search anything like this, we get the Yahoo results. So I see the Yahoo search engine is working at the top left corner, and at the right hand side I can see the Yahoo results. Most of us want Google search engine to do the research for the specific topic, and in the Google Chrome browser we don't get any option to change the search engine. Let's learn how we can do that. So at the top right corner we need to click on this three dots, and then we need to go to settings here. And once you click on settings, you will find a new window like this. So here we are looking for search engine. You will get three things: search engine, default browser, on startup. So from here you can select Google as your search engine, and when you select manage and when you click on manage search engine, you will find Google has become your default search engine. Now I'll just go back from here, and if your Google Chrome is not a default browser, you can make the default browser from here. Since I have already made it, so it's not giving me the option. One more thing which we can do, which I do it personally, on the startup, open new tab pages, continue where you left off, and open a specific page or set of pages. So what I do is I select this one, open a specific page or set of pages. So here what I have entered is http://www.google.com. So if I reopen Google Chrome, it will open up the google.com website. So I'm just opening it, and here we go. We have got google.com, the Google as a page. So I can search it from at the top, or I can search from this window as well. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.